A lot of martial arts like swords, right? If they're in kung fu, they like the broadsword. I really like the broadsword, the Chinese broadsword, but ultimately, I love the samurai sword, right? And any dreamers, right? Anybody who's trying to make their dream come true, or they're entrepreneurs, they're doing something. They're warriors, right? They got to be. Like, that's a warrior mindset right there. Like, to do it every day and you don't see any, progress, that's warrior. And nobody sees it either. In private, right? But the thing is, the only reason I'm drawing, and I guess to attack judgment, regardless what you think of me. But why do we even, like, I was thinking, right, why do we even care about what people think of us, right? Because we're afraid of what they might say or think, so we don't say anything. I used to, as adults, it's weird, right? As adults, it's weird how we are afraid of judgment of others, and we don't do anything of it. We try to be perfect on camera, but shit, we don't try to mess up in the camera or fell flat. We do it in real life anyway. We fall flat on our face, but we don't show it on camera. We don't show it on pictures and how we fall. Oh my god, what's the world has come to, man? Like, this is some bullshit. Because, back in the day, I remember I used to love drawing samurai sword, and I loved drawing. It would be middle school, and I would draw every day regardless what people think. That's my time. I don't give a shit. Like, people can talk. I'm like fucking drawing. And I was like, damn, man, I love drawing. And then it would be my time to draw. I don't care what the teacher said. I mean, actually, the teacher would be nice. I remember his name, Mr. Crowley. He have a wife. I don't know. She's like a lunch monitor or something, but she's really nice. She's cool. And so, yeah, I used to love drawing samurai swords because it's sturdy, right? Samurai swords are powerful. Samurai warrior represent where you can slash through anything. Like it can cut like through anything. Broadswords, not so much. It's good for practice, right? But samurai sword, like, that's too, we need longer handle. I mean, usually guys like weapons. I don't know, girls maybe a little bit, but guys like weapons a lot. There's a word for kunoichi. I mean, so in ninja, kunoichi means for ninja girl. Shinobi is also ninja. I was thinking about what make... Oh, crap. So, yeah. Entrepreneurs and dreamers are samurai warriors. They're warriors. Because they're... they fail in front of you all the time. And they're not afraid to fail. What the heck is it? Okay. And they do it in front of you. I guess as we grow older, we stop doing that because we care too much what people think. And we don't do what's in our heart, so we stop living to our truest potential. We don't listen to our own hearts, so we stop doing the things that we love the most, that could help other people, help inspire other people to do their dreams, goals, whatever that may be. Maybe today's... So, the only reason why I want to draw a sword today, because it represents that in anything that you do, you're a warrior, right? And that regardless of what happened, you're going to get through it. And you're going to cut through the noise, cut through everything that... Basically, you're slashing through your own doubts, fears, what could happen, what would happen, and you face it every day, and you do it because you're afraid. It's not in the it's not in the decision that you're afraid that you let it stop you. It's in the moment that when you're afraid, you do it regardless of what people think, right? And I might not be perfect with drawing samurai swords, but you know, as long as man, it's cricket. The hell, man. But today is that you're a samurai warrior. That you live to your best ability to do your dreams, because we all have dreams, and one day we're gonna wake up, can't do it anymore. It's sad to see that people don't do it. That it's better to live a life that's your own making than not. Success is funny. Success is not perfect, right? We think success is perfect. We see successful people on videos. We see successful people everywhere, and they don't fall. But you see them all the time when they fall, right? Like, oftentimes Justin Bieber, you know, get in trouble, right? He's successful, but he get in trouble, right? And but see, the thing is, we're not like, when we stop living our dreams, we stop being a warrior. We don't attack judgment. We don't attack fear. Like, we're using our weapons, and we're not attacking it. It's cricket. The hell. Well, it looked straight here, but it looked cricket in the video. Okay. Now, I guess, as I said, look how you draw a samurai sword. Now you might think, I don't know how to draw that. And I'm thinking, I don't know how to draw this either. Shit. I think because I draw so many times of samurai swords, I'm used to it, but there are things that I had to remember. I can't remember so much anymore. I stopped. Alright, today is that pick up your sword again. Pick up your sword, because you left it. You put it away. You put your swords away, and you let it rust. You let it dull. That's your dreams, your hopes, your aspiration, isn't it? All the dreams that people could have done, but they were afraid because of their belief system and their mindset and what they see of the world. Become a samurai warrior. Slash through whatever that you're dealing with and do the best you can. And yes, oh my god, this is frightening. So, the mindset today is a samurai spirit and samurai warrior, right? That we all each have a gift to inspire, to uplift. But we were too afraid to do it because we don't know if we can do that. If we don't know that we don't know that we could inspire others, right? And so we don't do it. We don't upload videos. We don't tweet out. We don't make any noise because we're just too afraid. I was watching Ralph Smart yesterday, his videos, and he's like, "Be notorious, right? Ruin your reputation." I was like, "Oh shit, ruin your reputation? Oh my god." Okay, I was like, "Oh wow, that's some crazy stuff." That video is different from every other video. I don't know what made him do that, but okay. But in training, right? In any, you think of a warrior, a samurai warrior is very powerful, right? In any scene, like they can, like, their skill at wielding a sword. So they didn't get that way, nor does successful people didn't get that way because they have years of failures, right? Years of crafting their gift, right? They fail so many times, but you don't see it. Like, people who create videos, people who do things, I wanted to fail in front of you for drawing, because at least I'm trying something, right? At least I'm not perfect, but I do it because it could inspire someone out there. Because they're great artists, man. I'll be sad that they're so great artists, but they give up because society say that they can't do it, right? Because I'm an artist, right? Well, in my own head, I'm an artist. But we are all artists. And they give up their dreams because someone say, "Go get a safe job." Nothing wrong with that. They can get a safe job and go live their dream and start creating momentum, right? Okay, let's say that they have a safe job, right? Because they fear judgment. They fear, because I have one friend, and great artist, but afraid of, don't know how it's gonna happen. Okay, great. Make your video. You're a great artist. Don't post. Don't also post it on Instagram. Post it on YouTube. And keep bold and teach. See, the thing is, people try to make perfect every time, and what end up happening is there's no work shown to the world. They're afraid of it because they don't know how to make money. Okay, cool. Create a video and show us how to draw. Show us how the way that you draw it. Show the way. You know how people say thought leadership? Well, they're drawing leadership, right? Well, that's kind of weird. They're teaching us how to draw. Like, people who draw, they're teaching us how to draw. Like, they went through class for it maybe, but they also self-taught. But they're gonna let that dream die, so they're gonna put their skill and be wasted by society, expectation of their dreams, hope, and aspiration. Like, all they have to do is post a video and teach us how to draw, and keep making that video and keep teaching us, and they will gain momentum. But they don't just see that. So today, post a video if you're an artist. Post a video. Actually, an entrepreneur is not an entrepreneur. Post a video and teach us how to draw. Teach us your thoughts process, your thinking, your philosophy of life. Just teach us, because we will lose out on your philosophy, your style of drawing, because you let it die. You let it, because you were too scared to post a video of how to draw. Don't do that. And when you make a video, title so people can search it. That's the problem with, because sometimes you can't find the video, so you have to title it. If you can't find the video, how can people find it? Like, how can you have to make the title searchable. You have to at least create a video that's searchable, because you need attention on your video, otherwise it won't. So today, you're a samurai warrior, a samurai spirit, slashing and technically, in my mind, I'm a warrior, slashing through the Meiji era, destructing an industry that's been there too long, and it must be destroyed. People are like, God damn, why you need to destroy? Yeah, things need to happen in the way that if it's not helping anymore, it must be destroyed. That's what an entrepreneur is. That's a leader. That's what leader is. That's what a revolutionary thing happened. It's destroying the status quo in your eye, and it will destroy it, and it will kill off. Right? You cut it off because it's not working anymore. It used to work, but it's terrible because old people, or I don't want to say old people, but they're teaching the youngs, especially in the law of attraction, spiritual secret. They're leaving young people astray, right? They're not equipped with knowledge or skills that they could have learned, because they are warriors in spirit. They could have learned, because what happened is when they're so absorbed in the spiritual world and psychic, they really are an expert on that. They lose out on learning other subject that they could learn. Destroy that. Destroy the samurai spirit.